Although crawlers and scraping are used in data collection, crawlers focus on network structure exploration, while scraping targets specific web page data extraction. Fingerprint browsers such as BitBrowser improve the efficiency and security of web scraping through disguise and manipulation, and are a powerful assistant for technicians. In the vast field of data collection and processing, the two terms crawler and scraping often cause confusion, especially in technical literature and discussions. Although they seem to be interchangeable in some contexts, they actually contain profound differences and connections. This video will clear the fog for you and explain in detail the boundaries and commonalities between web crawlers and web scraping. What key roles do fingerprint browsers provide for web scraping and crawlers? First of all, the definitions of the two are different. Web scraping refers to the process of extracting and collecting required information from web pages through automated means. This usually involves sending HTTP requests to the target web page, receiving the returned HTML content, and extracting specific data from it using parsing techniques such as regular expressions, XPath, CSS selectors, or more advanced libraries such as Beautiful Soup and ScrapeHigh. Web crawling is highly dependent on the structure of the target web page and is often customized for specific datasets. Web crawling is a more general exploration strategy that aims to traverse the World Wide Web, discover and index web content. Web crawlers or web spiders start from one or a group of initial URLs called seed URLs, follow the links in the web page, recursively visit and record the pages pointed to by these links. This process is not limited to data extraction, but focuses more on the discovery and mapping of web pages, providing basic data for search engine indexing, website content analysis, etc. How to distinguish the subtle differences between crawlers and crawling. Although crawlers and crawling both involve automated data extraction in a broad sense, there are significant differences in the details. Crawlers are more inclined to wide area search, discover new resources by traversing links, and build network maps. Crawling, on the other hand, is more focused on extracting the required data from specific websites or pages. This difference determines their differences in technical implementation, application scenarios, and ethical considerations. In the data-driven internet era, web crawling, as an important means of information acquisition, has become increasingly the focus of efficiency and security. Especially when facing data sources with sophisticated defense mechanisms, traditional crawler technology often seems to be powerless. If you are not careful, it may trigger the anti-crawler mechanism, resulting in the obstruction of crawling tasks or even IP blocking. It is in this context that the Fingerprint Browser, with its unique advantages, has redefined the possibility of web crawling. The invisible cloak that reshapes the web crawling ecosystem. The Fingerprint Browser is not just a simple upgrade of the browser. It is more like a layer of invisible cloak for the automated script, allowing it to shuttle freely in the digital world without being noticed. By deeply simulating the browsing behavior of real users, the Fingerprint Browser cleverly bypasses various detection methods of the website, including but not limited to sophisticated user behavior analysis, complex device fingerprint comparison, etc., providing unprecedented flexibility and security for web crawling tasks. The core advantage of the Fingerprint Browser goes beyond conventional disguise and manipulation. 1. All-round fingerprint disguise. The Fingerprint Browser is not limited to modifying the user agent, but can also perform deep disguise in multiple dimensions such as browser engine, operating system, device model, etc., to build an almost indistinguishable virtual user environment and completely disintegrate the recognition system based on browser fingerprints. 2. Environment isolation and independent configuration. Each crawling task or account can have an independent browser environment, including independent cookies, cache, and local storage, to ensure that they do not affect each other, providing a solid foundation for complex multi-account management and refined crawling strategies. 3. Intelligent proxy and dynamic IP rotation. The built-in proxy management system can automatically select and rotate IP addresses, effectively hide the real IP, reduce the risk of access restrictions or bans triggered by frequent access, and improve crawling efficiency. 4. Automatic execution of crawler instructions. Automation function. Users only need to write the required scripts to automatically execute jobs. such as automatic browsing, automatic clicking, automatic crawling, automatic form filling, and other instructions, so that the crawler steps can be completed quickly, accurately, and efficiently. Among many fingerprint browsers, BitBrowser stands out for its excellent performance and wide application scenarios. As a fingerprint browser designed for automated operations and web crawling, BitBrowser not only has all the above core advantages, but also shows extraordinary practical value in many fields such as cross-border e-commerce, social media management, and market research. Its powerful account management system and RPA automation function simplify the cumbersome multi-account login and operation into a one-click process, greatly improving work efficiency and security. In this era of big data, Fingerprint Browser has brought revolutionary changes to the field of web crawling with its unique invisibility and powerful control capabilities. It is not only a powerful assistant for technicians, but also an important force to promote the free flow of information and promote the prosperity of the digital economy. Download BitBrowser now to get a more efficient and secure environment for your web crawling. Click the link below the video to download and get 10 permanent free windows immediately.